came here for the dancing.
The High Priestess Lysseril asks if the dagger is safe. It is?
It was.
Why this question? The young. They didn't find the goblin. Liage.
Malak is pissed, but not pissed enough. Kakapaka, Mukapupi, whatever. The priestess with the stupid name. She must have gone to the dome. I gotta get hold of her pendant to open the door leading to that dagger. And this is another mission where I can't afford being detected. Did you hear that? Shit, I can't hear a thing. I'll have to get closer without being spotted.
The goblin's escape has stained our right. It is a terrible insult to us all. We have had to terminate the mortal lives of many amongst us. We bow to your honorable decision, Mother Superior. It is for the common good. We must pray for all these souls, so that they return purified. We shall have the honor of escorting you, Priestess Malak.
These two guards are all over her ass. Well, she's gotta take a piss sometime. I just need to follow them quietly until I can get her alone. That is just harsh. Works. Sesame, like the man said. Open. Yeah, too easy. This is too easy to be true. I better be ready for some surprises. It's a trap!
But father, that elf insulted us. That wasn't a good reason to smash his bones. His death was more merciful than he deserved.
Wow, this guy's all hard. I'd rather kiss a dwarf's ass than hang out with that huge freaking psycho.
Hawkeye, your anger will be our doom.
I just gotta find this dwarf diplomat, get rid of him, and the highlight of the show, make it look like Malak killed him. And all that with no witnesses and without triggering alarms. You got that? Pocket sand!
The presence of these drunken dwarfs is unbearable.
Seems a shame to try and hide such a lovely smell.
They finished the machine. Let's hope that Aurora's this one soon throws them out.
If they don't leave soon, know that blood will flow. There are many Kestis who wish to make them pay for their repeated transgressions.
Target acquired. I'll have to get him alone. There should be a way to slip one in of my own creation that will convince him to come out alone. An indecent proposal he can't refuse. quartz at a knockdown price, for example. These dwarfs get so bored, he won't be able to pass up on an opportunity to do something fun and get rich. There we go. All I need now is for His Excellency Elvignius to stumble on it. A little green hot sauce is not bad. For me, at least.
We could split their skulls and serve our... Wait for me downstairs. If it were up to me, I'd have razed this city with all its inhabitants. These dark elves are devious and nasty. What's more, they look at us sideways when we take a drink. Let them dare to try some crooked trick. It'll give us a good excuse to massacre them.
Rakash. All that's left to complete my job is to accidentally let Malak's dagger fall. Oops. The dwarfs will think it's these treacherous dark elves that did it. Well, what's this drawing in his pocket? Some kind of machine. Damn, it's written in Dwarvish. Okay, better get out of here. Maybe Jarok will know what it's all about.
The elves have assassinated the ambassador!
So, that's one dead dwarf and a useful war brewing. Coming back to Karangar wasn't such a bad idea after all.